everyone, Susan Vincentz here. Welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. And in today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a review and refresher. So all of those sharing settings on a Google Doc, a Google Slide, all of those things, we're going to clarify and review. Because I inevitably get things where I've shared with people and they're asking for editing access, or they don't understand why they can't do something with it. So we're just going to review just those basic sharing settings in your Google Drive so everyone is on the same page when you share something with someone or someone shares something with you, so that you understand how to best access it. So stay with me and we're going to go over to a Google Doc example. Alright, so here we are in a Google Doc to review our sharing settings. So in order to share a document with someone, it could be a document, a slide, a sheet, what have you, any of the Google Workspace apps, I'm going to come to the top right hand corner and click the share button. And the first way that I can share is just by simply putting in an email address right here. So I'm going to share this with David and put his email address in here. Now, there are some things that I want to be sure I am aware of because I have options here. When I share a document with someone, I can make them a viewer, a comment, or an editor. So make sure that you are aware of these things. So if I want him to be able to edit and make changes in my document, that's okay. Make him an editor. If I only want him to be able to comment using the comment feature in the menu, then he can be able to leave me comments over in the margin. I can make him a commenter. Or if I only want him to view this document, I'm going to make him a viewer. And then I can put a message here if I so choose that will show up when the email notification goes to him that you shared it. And then I'm just going to simply hit send. So remember, viewing allows them to only view. Commenting will allow them to use the comment feature from the menu on the document. And editing makes them be able to make changes on the document. Now, I'm going to go ahead and send that, and he'll get that notification. Now, the other way that I can share is through a link, and this is where some people get confused. So, if I hit the share button, I can come in here and get the link. Now, I don't simply want to just copy this link right off before I pay attention to what it says here. So, always look and see what it says. So, right here, I'm in my Tech Imaginations account, and this says anyone in this group with this link can view. So what that is telling me that anyone with a Tech Imaginations account, if they're in that group with a techimaginations.net email, then they are able to view. So I can copy that link and send it right on, no problem. Some of the times this may say your school organization, so-and-so elementary school. Anyone in this group can view. So if I copied that link, sent it to everyone at so-and-so elementary school, they're going to be able to view it. Now, if I want people at another elementary school or people at my school to view this document and not just people in my Tech Imaginations group, I need to change this. So you have to pay close attention. So I'm going to hit that change button. And then notice our choices here. I have a drop-down menu. First thing I see here is a restricted mode. So if I hit restricted, this says only people added can open with this link. So notice up here what we did at the beginning where we had to add David by his email address. Only David can open with that link. Or if I go back and put other email addresses in for a whole group of people I want to be able to access, then only those people that I've added can open it with this link. So again, I can drop it down. Now, if I want more people to be able to access this and they're outside of my organization, I haven't added them with an individual email, I'm going to want to use this anyone with the link. And at that point, I'm going to copy the link. Now notice on my anyone with the link, I still have viewer, commenter, and editor. So pay close attention to those things if you want them to only view, only comment, or if you want them to be able to make changes. So let's review one more time. When I want to get the link, I want to pay very close attention before I just willy-nilly go here and copy a link. I want to drop this down, and I want to be sure I know who it's going to. Here, anyone that I send this link to will be able to view my document, or if I change that to editing or comment. Here, anyone in a group with the Tech Imaginations, or this may say so-and-so organization. And again, you can view, comment, or edit. Or I can go restricted and it be only the people added up here that I can give that link to and then be able to open it. So when you want to send a Google app sharing link, make sure you know what it is saying before you copy this link. Then you can copy that link and go paste it into an email address, onto a website, wherever you want people to be accessing your documents. So there it is, your sharing in Google review. Enjoy. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you learned something or at least got a little bit of a refresher on how to share your documents, and I hope you can find that useful as you move forward. So be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button so you're able to find more of my videos to help with your tech needs here at Tech Imaginations. God bless, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.